Hey everyone, my name is Leonel Lopez and this is for TSM 435. This is our RGB LED Lab 2. It's the exact same scenario as last time. You know, you have your Eligo Mega 2560, we have the 4 jumper cables, we have the 3 220 ohm resistors, and we have the RGB LED. You know, we have a ground right here connecting to the RGB. We have 3 digital connections. We have digital pin 6, 5, and 3. That's all connecting into the 220 ohm resistors in series. And then that's going to connect to the RGB LED. So it's the exact same setup as last time. What's different is that right now we're using MATLAB. And before it was kind of just on the Arduino IDE. And it would just randomly go from color to color to color. Well, not randomly, it was in the code, but you get what I mean. Here we're going to tell it what to do. In the code, one of the things I wanted to show off was the stop flag. Basically, while the stop flag is 0, it's going to keep on running. And that's going to be a very important part, as you'll see down below. Here's the main part of our code. It's the while loop right here. So again, while stop flag is 0, you just keep on going through the while loop. So while this is 0, you do this, and then you go again, and again, and again, and again, as needed. The values, the red value, green value, and blue value, that's just the value of how much red, green, or blue you're going to have. So if you have all red but no green and no blue, the color is going to come out. It's obviously going to be red, right? But if you have, you know, some red, no blue, I'm sorry, if you have all red, no blue, and some green, you'll come out with an orangish color. And then you have any other variation of them, you'll come out with some other color. And then this one right here, the RGB LED color, is just kind of a combination of all of them. And yeah, let's run it. All right, so it's gonna start off as red, since red is all at 5 volts, while green and blue are at 0. Essentially right now we're at 255 for red, we're at 0 for green, and 0 for blue, as you can see right here. So if we go 255 on red, 255 on green, and 0 on blue, we get yellow right there, as you can see right there. Yeah, I mentioned before, you know, if you have all red, no blue, but some green, like, I don't know, a little bit half-ish, you get orange right there. And then, you know, if you want to vary it, you know, have a little bit of green, a lot of blue, you get a bluish, kind of like cyan kind of color. You can see right here, you know, you can change it so no green, just a little bit of red and some blue. You get like a purplish color. If you want no red, no green, no blue, you get black. We don't get black here because there's no input coming in at this point, since we want 0 red, 0 green, and 0 blue. You can't really have black, but no color is essentially black. Whereas, you know, all red, all green, all blue, all green, and all red, it's going to give us white, which is all the colors put together. And then, yeah, you press stop. When you press the stop button, what's going to happen is that it's going to end the while loop, essentially. So as you can see right here, stop flag is equal to 0, yada, yada, yada. And you go again, stop flag is equal to 0. But if you go over here, the stop button value change, if you press the button, stop value is going to equal to 1. So when you go back to the while loop, stop flag is going to equal to 1. So it's not going to want to go through the while loop. It's just going to want to end, and then it just closes the app, all of it just at once. So essentially, press it, and that's it. We're done. And this is my RGB LED Lab 2.